Hello, guys. So today I have analyzed Euro JPY using a candle range theory. So basically, what is candle range theory? Candle range theory is based on the concept that every candle on any time frame forms its own range. So I'll explain you what is candle range theory and why did I took a sell on this Euro JPY. So first of all, we go to an higher time frame. So for this trade, I went to a weekly time frame. Let me just clear everything. Let's use this one. Okay, let's see. So for this thing, I used weekly time frame. So I'm using weekly time frame. So according to candle range theory, if if we get a wick above the previous candlestick, as you can see we have a wick this side. So first of all, you draw a line. So what I have done, I have drawn my line, but I have used Fibonacci retracement because it gives me the line and also my take profit. So the first take profit would be 50%, the halfway of that candlestick. So I have drawn my Fibonacci, as you can see. Then I go to a lower time frame like 4 hours or 1 hour time frame. So basically I went on 1 hour time frame. So what are we looking for in 1 hour time frame? We are looking for a candle which broke which broke that previous week candlestick. So as you can see, this was our previous what do you call previous week high. So this candlestick, which one this candlestick, it break. So second thing, what I do, I draw an order block for that candlestick. So I have drawn an order block. Yeah. So you should wait for it to go down and retest at a 50% of your order block. Then the second thing, what you do, you take a trade, a sell trade. For example, it came here, I took a sell this side. My SL, it's little bit above, like very small, because of the spreads. The broker which uses it has spreads. So yeah, and your TP is at 50% of your last week candle. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll update you guys how the trade went. Did it went through the candle range theory method, or it went it hit our SL. For in my case, I used this trading strategy, and it has been making me profitable. The strategy which I have used before, it worked, but it never gave me profit. But this one, it made me profit. Okay, let's see how it goes, and I will let you guys, when it hits the TP, I will let you guys see. I use the broker which is IC markets, because this broker, I'm telling you, it's best because I use, what do you call, uh zero spread. Like, it has spread, but they are very little, and uh they get commission, and the commissions are very low. So yeah, I use IC market. As you can see, I have indicated CRT high of the last week and CRT low. So the first TP is at 50%, and your second TP is at the lowest of that candle. So my first TP is here. So let's see how it goes. I'll advise you to practice this. I'll make more videos like showing you how it went and stuff. Thank you. As I told you guys, I will show you what happened to the chart, the Euro JPY. As you can see, it came down, so it's just making retracement going upside down. So I'm sure it's just making market move like it's going higher highs and higher lows. From this point, I'm sure it will come at this order block again. Okay, it will come at again at the 50% of this order block. Mm, order block. Then you can even add more cells at this point. Yeah, in your SL. Sorry for this. In your SL would be here at the high wick, and your TP will be the target which we had before. Yeah, guys. So trading is very simple if you know how to trade, how you can analyze the market and stuff. So yeah, let's see what happens to Euro JPY. That's it, guys.